Hello, this is Ian from IDT, and I want to welcome you to this instructional video on how to install our new USB-C cable retainer. Let's get started. You will need a camera or TC hub, a cable, a 5/64 hex driver, as well as the retainer itself. For this video, we'll be using a CrashCam Mini. First, install the cable retainer loosely onto the camera. Don't tighten anything at this step. Then, insert the cable into the camera through the retainer. It should secure firmly. Using the hex driver, alternate tightening the two outside screws on the retainer. Then, tighten the center screw to lock the cable in place. Now you have a secure cable connection that will withstand extreme situations. You can remove and insert the cable without removing the retainer. Just loosen the top screw and remove the cable. To replace the cable, simply insert it and tighten the top screw. Now you have a secure cable connection. Thank you for watching this instructional video from IDT.